Mr. Speaker, I move that we recognize the Senior Deputy Minority Leader, the Honorable Paul Dasa.
The Honorable Paul Dasa is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Good evening. Mr. Speaker, yesterday, in the schedule yesterday, was included the Office of the Vice President. We waited the whole day, and there was no appearance yesterday. So the House, jointly, the minority and majority, moved to include in the schedule today, again, the Office of the Vice President to give ample time and another opportunity for the OVP to come here personally and so we can have a deliberation on the OVP budget. It's already 9 p.m. We've waited the whole day and there's still no appearance from what I was told from the Office of the Vice President. We want to make sure that we give ample opportunities for the Office of the Vice President to make an appearance for our sponsorship and debate of all agencies. So in that light of giving another opportunity, please allow me to make a motion to include again for tomorrow's schedule at 10 a.m. the Office of the Vice President, Mr. Speaker.
Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, on the part of the majority, we join the minority in the motion to include the deliberations on the budget, proposed budget of the Office of the Vice President in tomorrow's deliberations.
Is there any objection? Chair is none. The motion is approved.
Thank you to the majority. Thank you, Speaker.
Thank you, Honorable Dasa. Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, I move that we recognize the Honorable Raul Manuel, Kabataan Party List.
The Honorable Manuel is recognized.
Salamat, Mr. Speaker. Nais ko lang pong mag-manifest patungkol sa motion na inaprobahan natin. Mr. Speaker, sabi ng nakaupong Vice Presidente sa isang public event kahapon, and I quote, "Hinahanap nila ako ngayon sa House of Representatives kasi pinag-uusapan nila ang budget ng Office of the Vice President." End of quote. Mr. Speaker, kailangan po maging malinaw na hindi totoo na pinag-usapan kahapon ang budget ng Office of the Vice President. Hindi po iyon mapag-uusapan kasi nga hindi sumipot ang nakaupong Vice President o kahit ni isang duly authorized representative. Mr. Speaker, iniwan niya sa ere ang budget sponsor na magde-defend pa nga sana ng sa ngayon ay 733 million pesos na proposed budget para sa OVP matapos kaltasan ng Committee of Appropriations. Hindi pa nga yun zero budget o piso budget. Mr. Speaker, iniwan niya sa ere ang Kamara at pinaghintay ng 17 oras. Iniwan niya sa ere ang taong bayan na nag-abang kahapon para sa plenary deliberations for the OVP budget. It has to be noted, for the record, na nagkakalat pa ang OVP ng panlilinlang sa Facebook page nito. Pinapalabas na optional ang pagdepensa sa proposed budget. Mr. Speaker, naghintay tayo kahapon for 17 hours hanggang 3 a.m. kanina. Nag-resume today. Naghintay ulit tayo ngayong araw. Mr. Speaker, that's because for the OVP to appear and to answer budget-related questions is not an option. It is an obligation, Mr. Speaker. Yun lang. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Honorable Manuel, for your manifestation.